Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Previously, thank you to the lectures. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Fadillah Hanum with team 67012133083, Associate Degree in Information System. Here I will present my final project report entitled Development of Internship Management Website Talent Hunt at the Faculty of Applied Science Telkom University. Starting from the background. The Faculty of Applied Science at Telkom University underscores the crucial role of internship in linking theory to the professional sphere, refining both soft and hard skills of students. However, the lack of an online registration portal complicates the application and confirmation process for internship despite the available placement information on the website LKM Feed that serves as the foundation for the collaboration between Techno Infinity and LMV to create an internship management website talent. The aim is to simplify the entire internship process for students. Next, formulation problems and solution. The formulations. How can we enhance the functionality of accessing internship program information within FIT and streamline the process of selecting internship registration and confirmation for students? The solution to improve the functionality of accessing information about FIT's internship program and simplify the step in selecting, registering, and confirming internship place for students. The internship management website Talent Hunt is here to overcome the limitation of internship information at FIT and facilitate the process for students. Next objective. The first objective to be the main source of information about internship place, the registration process and confirmation, and overcome limited access to information in the internship program at Free Telkom University. The second objective to ensure students can easily access the necessary information and simplify the registration process through simple forms. And third objective to support the process at internship selection, registration, and confirmation. It's become easier for students. Next, problems limitation. The first limitation focus on developing an internship management website talent target at the recruitment model. The second limitation, the development of the internship management website talent is only focused on front-end developer for student user. Next, job description. The developer division is a team that is responsible for implementing application or system in accordance with the needs and design that have been set. In particular, front-end developers are in charge of translating the design UI UX into functional program code using programming skills. Next, system analyst. The internship recruitment system at Telkom University Faculty of Applied Science is still manual and complicated because it uses a variety of different platforms such as social media, online forum, and virtual classroom. This limitation makes information related to internship difficult to access by students. To overcome this, it is necessary to develop a special website that helps students obtain information, internship place, and facilitate the process of registering and confirming internship at field. Next, current system overview. The internship recruitment process starts from the LKM, which upload information on internship vacancies on social media. After the vacancy information is uploaded, students register through the online registration form link and fill in the data, which is then entered into the LKM system. Then students must confirm to their supervisor for approval of internship registration, which is done through a spreadsheet. If the registration is approved, student will go through a filtering process by LKM. However, if not approved, student can look for internship in other companies. After the filtering process by LKM, the select student who will proceed to the next stage. The LKM then submits the filtering data to the company or uploads the name of student who passed the filtering to social media. Students who pass the filtering will be directed to join an online group for internship coordination. Companies that receive the filtered data will create an interview selection schedule and send it to the online group for internship coordination. After receiving the schedule, students conduct interview selection with company officials. If accepted, the company gives confirmation to the student. However, if rejected, the company confirms the rejection to the student and LKM, which then updates the student of the rejected student. Uh, which then LKM updates the status of the rejected students. Accepted student must fill out an internship acceptance form to the LKM and confirm to the company the internship recruitment process. And after the student has completed the specific internship period, if the student declines the internship, they must confirm and fill out a resignation form to the company and LKM. The internship recruitment process ends after the student confirms their resignation. Next, developer system overview. The internship recruitment process begins when students register for internship vacancies that have been provided by the system with complete company information. After registration, the data is entered into the LKM system database. LKM conducts a screening process for the student data. If the student does not pass the screening, they will be notified that they are not eligible and the recruitment process ends. However, if the past LKM provide information to successful students and the data will be submitted to the partner company system. After the data is entered into the partner system, the partner creates a stage 1 selection schedule which is also informed to the LKM system and students. The stage 1 selection process is carried out by the partner. If the student passes, the best data will enter the LKM system and provide information to the student who passed and update their status. However, if they do not pass, the system informs that they did not pass this recruitment process ends. If there is no further the selection stage, the partner can do the offering process and sets a confirmation that will be informed to the student system. If the student declines, the recruitment process ends. But if they accept, their data goes to the LKM and partner system and the process ends. If there is a further selection stage, partners make a student to selection schedule which is also informed to the LKM system and students. The stage 2 selection process is carried out with students. If they pass, the data of the students who pass is entered into the LKM system, provide notification to them. Next, the partner conduct the ordering process and set a confirmation that to the student system. If the student decline, the recruitment process ends. But if they accept, their data goes to the LKM and partner system and the process ends. And then the following are the output results of the work during the internship, which is to create a display, talent landing page, and then search page, job detail page, job apply page, company detail page, profile page, and then application status page. And then thank you for your attention.